Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about disabling or turning off the on-screen keyboard on your Windows 10 device. So whether it's a laptop, tablet, or desktop computer, in today's tutorial I have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So a couple of different ways. One way would be if you had the on-screen keyboard open, you could just click on the little X to the top right to close out of it. Alternatively, you can also tap the Control, Windows, and O key combination as well to both open and close the on-screen keyboard, so that's another option. And you can also, if you open up the search menu and search for settings, open that up, and then go to the ease of access tile, and then on the left side scroll down to the keyboard section where it says use the on-screen keyboard. You can toggle that off right there, and that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.